Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Alvin, and today we're going to go back to Turtle again. As you guys know, as you just clearly saw, it's been a long time since we haven't done Turtle, so let's get back to it. I still remember. Okay, so today we're going to learn about how to make the Ethiopia flag. So as you can see here, this is how the Ethiopia flag looks like. First, it has a horizontal green stripe, horizontal yellow stripe, and a horizontal red stripe. Then a circle at the center, and inside the circle, there's a star at the center, but it's not filled in. It's just that, as you can see. Now, how to make this? I already made it, so let's just now explain how we do it. So the first thing I want to do, so this is how we make our rectangle. Our first horizontal rectangle, which would be green, see here. See? That's it. Now look, we can go for the next shot. See yellow. See red. Now let's go with the mathematics. The coordinates that I made, did I just cheat using something else or looked? Or did I just use the mathematics? So how did I do this? Let me explain. First, the simple coordinate we have to do minus 150, 100. Okay, that's pretty simple. Then what I said was minus 150, 20. But why did I say this? Because look here, the width is 80. You're going 80 down. And what is the y-axis? It's depending on y-axis, basically. It's not usually x-axis same, but y-axis is different. Okay? So what? And my y-axis is 100. What I have to do is then subtract 100 minus 80, get 20. That's how you got minus 150, 20. Okay? Then how did I get minus 60? Same thing. My y-axis is 20, and I'm going 80 down. What is 20 minus 80? Minus 60. That's how I got minus 150, minus 60. Now, if you have some trouble, if you don't remember, just think about using this way. It's pretty simple, I'm telling you. Now let's go with the second one over here and somewhere here, I know. Yes, the circle. Now go to function, it was like 3 comma minus 70. I try to find it first because 0 wouldn't be exactly, so it's actually 3 comma minus 70. See, and we have the circle in the center. That's how the circle looks like. If I can say it's steel blue, it's like kind of bluish. That's what we call it. So that's our next. Now this is our next one for our star. Actually, this is our last one. Ah, that program felt short to me. Probably, I guess that was like a 1 minute video if you guys ask me. If you were to ask me, it's a 1 minute video. So here I just made the star. Coordinates I tried, but I figured out it was minus 48, 5. And there we go, our Ethiopia flag. Okay? So thank everyone else for listening about how to make the Ethiopia flag in Python using Turtle. I hope you like it and bye. And don't forget to subscribe and also like.